Hello, welcome to the grammar review lesson. This is reviewing all the grammar you learned this quarter. Let's start with the simple present verbs. Simple present is used for habits and daily activities or current fact or true statement. Remember, we add S to he, she, or it verbs in the simple present. Let's fill in the blank with the simple present form of the verb swim. The kids swim in the pool. Listen. My little sister listens. I add S because the subject is my sister or she. My daughter takes a bath. My daughter, the subject is she. I need to add S. My husband goes to bed. My husband is he, the subject. Go, goes. Remember, add ES if the verb ends with O. She has an appointment every Monday. Have, has for subject he or she or it. Next, let's make the simple present negative verb. To make negative, we use doesn't or don't plus the verb. No S's added to the verb. I don't drive too fast. She doesn't like bananas. Mary doesn't do her homework. Remember, use don't for I, you, we, and they. Use doesn't for he, she, and it. Next, let's write a simple present question. Questions can start with do or does, or where, when, why, how, or who. Here are some examples. Do you walk every day? Does she like coffee? Where does Mary eat lunch? And let me do a who do you love? How do you write paragraph? Who or what do you like to read? Who, what, when do you wake up? Who, what, when, where, how, and why do you like coffee? Or any question starting with do or does. Next, let's practice the simple past. Remember, for the simple past, we use ed added to the verb, or for the be verb, we use was and were. Many past tense verbs are irregular. They don't have the ed rule, so we have a special spelling. Eat, ate, come, came, go, went, and so on. Be verb, past tense. Singular, past tense of be. Singular, he or she was. I was. Plural, past tense, we or they were. Is and are present tense, not past. Now let's write the past form of each verb. Eat, ate, come, came, go, went, write, wrote, have, had, sit, sat, see, saw, do, did, run, ran, buy, bought, drink, drank. Now, simple past verbs in a sentence. Pay attention to the subject. Emily, have. Emily past tense, had. I, used. Mary, listened. Lauren, moved. My daughter, cried. Notice the spelling. Change Y to I and add ed. My two children, ate. John, went. John went shopping. There you go. Check your answers. And the simple past negative by using didn't plus the main verb. Do not add ed. I ate rice. I didn't eat rice. I did my homework. I didn't do my homework. Mary didn't eat. My brothers didn't cook. We didn't study. You didn't go shopping. Go check your answers. And simple past questions, we use the did plus subject plus verb. Here are the answers. You write the question. I went to the store yesterday. Did you go to the store yesterday? Mary didn't cook dinner last night. Did Mary cook dinner last night? The students didn't read books in class. Did the students read books in class? You put did first, then your subject, and then your verb. Next, we'll practice the future tense, the simple future using will. Remember, we use will for plans or predictions in the future. Will plus a simple verb. Let's write the sentence. We will come to English class tomorrow. Mario likes the music. Oh, future tense. Will like. We will have no class this weekend. Next, we also learned about count and non-count nouns. We use some and any for count and non-count nouns. Okay, so first, count or non-count. Love is a feeling, they're non-count. Tea is a liquid, non-count. Desk, piece of furniture, count. Onion, that's a countable food. Chair, countable piece of furniture. Banana, that's countable. Flour has many small pieces, non-count. Rice, too many small pieces, non-count. Apple, I can count that. Coffee is a liquid, non-count. Now we'll write a and some or any. There is pen on the table. Singular, countable, start with the consonant, a. There is milk in the fridge. Milk is non-countable. I cannot say a or an. I'll say some. I want to eat soup. Soup is non-countable. Some. Is there cheese in the fridge? I can use some or any. Usually for the question we use any. I have problem. A problem is countable, only singular. I need some help. Help is not countable. I don't have any paper, or I don't have some paper. Any means 0. I don't have any. Would you like some rice with your dinner? You could also say any rice with your dinner. Both are correct. There is a dog barking outside. I would like to drink some tea. There isn't any gas in the car. Next, we also learned modals of necessity and obligation. We use should or shouldn't to give advice, must and have to for obligations or rules, don't have to for choices, and must not for strict rules. Which is correct? You must to see the Space Needle in Seattle. No to after must. You have to see the Space Needle in Seattle. That seems good. You have to. Nope, needs to. That's correct. Which is correct? Why we always have come to the same restaurant. After why, I need do. Okay, why do? Why do we always have come? Nope, have to. Why do we always have to come to the same restaurant? That's correct. Which is correct? I don't have to work today because it's a holiday. Looks good. I must to work today. No to after must. I don't must. No, I can't say don't must. It's mustn't. This is correct. Okay, now let's choose the best answer. My brother have to go, has to go. B, has. The students must to do? No. B, must do. Maria has got to practice? Have to practice. For Maria, has got to. You finish eating. You don't have to, must not. It's an optional choice. A, don't have to. He must answer, must answers. We don't need S for he when we use must. So A, must answer. You has to stop, have got to stop. For you, we need have, not has. B. Liam must to walk, no to with must, has to walk. That's correct. B. Does she have to call her parents? Yes, she must call. We can't use must call with does. It would be must she call. Mrs. Jones have, has. Subject she, has. B. Do you have to stay? Must stay. For question, must you stay? Here, do you have to? A. Great job. How do you feel about these grammar topics? Good, not good, so-so. Write any comments you have for me in your work and submit. Thank you so much.